to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design a responsive use sign in and sign up page for an e-commerce project called eShop. We will be using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript. We will go through the code step by step and see how the page looks on both desktop and mobile. By the end of this video, you will know how to build a modern, responsive authentication page from scratch. As you can see, this is the design that I have made for the eShop project. Sign up and sign in pages. Here you can see that I have created a new account, and then you can see that I have given the field inputs, name as first name, last name, email, password, mobile and gender. You can choose the gender by the select query, and then if you have created a new account, you can move on to the sign page and see that their input fields like email, password and the remember me checkbox and the forgot password. So let's move on to the HTML structure in the index.php file. So here we start by linking our Bootstrap and our custom CSS in the head section. So the design is responsive and styled. Then inside the body I have added a container that uses Bootstrap's classes like deflex, justify content center, vh100. This helps the content vertically and horizontally on any screen size. And at the top I have added the logo and a little welcome message that says, "Hi, welcome to the eShop." The logo is styled with CSS as a background image, so it stays responsive. Next comes our sign up box. It includes the fields for first name, last name, email and password, mobile number and then gender. As I have said before, I have used a select query to give the options to like select it. Then I have used each input uses a Bootstrap's form control class, so they look all neat and uniform. So right at the bottom of the box there are two buttons. One is a blue sign up button and a dark button to switch to the sign in view. So right below that we have our sign in box. As you can see, we have our it's very similar but includes just email, password, remember me checkbox and links for switching or resetting the password. And then by default the sign in form is hidden with Bootstrap's dnone class. Later JavaScript will handle showing and hiding these forms. So here's the boxes that I have talked about. This is the sign in box and this is the sign up box, and these are the buttons: sign up and sign in. So let's move on to our next page. So now let's style everything in CSS style. Style.css. I gave a body background image that covers the whole screen using background size, cover and background position center. The logo is also a background image inside a div, which makes a scale nicely without needing an image tag. For fonts I have used add font for to import, quicksand for a regular text, and style script font called honey for the welcome message. I also style the selections text titles like create new account and sign in to make them stand out more. Although these styles give our eShop a branded and a professional look. So now let's talk about how I have added some interactivity with JavaScript in script.js. Here you can see that I have the first function, change view. It simply toggles between the sign up and the sign in boxes by switching the dnone class. This makes it easy for users to swap between creating an account or logging in. I have also created two small placeholder functions like sign up and the sign in. When you click sign up, it checks if you entered your name and email, and then shows a alert, success alert like account created successfully, then your first name. Then when you click sign in, it checks if email and password are filled in, and then shows a welcome message like welcome back, and then shows your email. This makes the page feel alive even though we don't have used a backend connected. I have used backend even though we don't have a backend connected yet. So, and of course everything is fully responsive thanks to Bootstrap. For example, I have used this structure in the HTML that I have given a div class like column 12, column large 6. So this makes that on large screens the form takes half the width, while on smaller screens like mobile it automatically expands to full width. This way the page looks clean and easy to use whether you are on a computer, tablet or a phone. So you can see the differences in here. You can see the differences here. So this is how responsive it is. You can see it, right? It's responsive. So that's it for today's video. We have just built a responsive sign-in and sign-up page for our eShop project using HTML for the structure, CSS for custom styling, Bootstrap for responsiveness, JavaScript for interactivity. Remember, this is a front-end only. Later you can connect it to a backend like PHP and make it fully functional. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.